Hello there. The stormy autumnal weather continues across Europe, particularly for the central Mediterranean, where we've got this swirl of cloud you can see on the satellite image. Now, this system has been really slow moving, producing heavy downpours across Italy over the last few days, also for Corsica, Sardinia as well. We'll see more of those heavy showers in similar areas once again through the day on Monday across Italy, and for the Balearics too, things are turning unsettled as a weather front pushes its way gradually eastwards through Portugal and Spain. Now for Turkey, a lot of dry weather and temperatures warm, 28 degrees in Antalya, and also largely dry and warm for Greece. But through the Adriatic, across Croatia, Italy and across Spain and Portugal, very unsettled conditions. This weather front, as it pushes its way east, will bring rain, snow over the mountains and colder conditions, just 10 degrees in Madrid on Monday. To the north of that, it's fairly breezy, but the breeze coming in from a southerly direction, so still quite mild for the time of year, really across much of Europe. Tuesday, still low pressure across central parts. Really heavy snowfall to come across the Alps. There could be up to a metre of snowfall falling over the next couple of days over the upper slopes in the Alps. More rain working into the west as well. Unsettled in London, plenty of showers over the week ahead. And in Madrid, things will slowly start to turn a little bit less cold than it has been. The outlook further east across Europe is for dry weather to continue in Berlin, Moscow, Sofia and in Athens too. Bye-bye. Hello there. After the recent storms we've seen for some southern and eastern states, they're now clearing away and our attention turns towards the plains where this area of cloud has been developing. This is a low pressure system, a weather front that's moving its way eastwards across the plains. It'll be stretching from the Mississippi Valley up towards the Great Lakes through the day on Sunday, bringing some heavy rain, some large hail at times, gusty winds and even some snowfall on its northern edge. Meanwhile, high pressure holds on towards the northeast, so a much improved day for Montreal and for New York on Sunday too. Good news for the New York Marathon, looking largely dry and rather cool too. Heading further west then, things are unsettled across British Columbia. We've got some rain and some snow over the mountains pushing in here. Still further heavy showers in Vancouver where we've seen flooding problems recently. Further south down the west coast, it's dry for Oregon and California. Temperatures still on the warm side for the time of year. Further rain then in Vancouver through the day on Monday, but at last we get a drier day to come for Tuesday. Denver, San Francisco and Los Angeles all looking dry and settled. Meanwhile, towards the northeast, it is dry for the New York Marathon, dry too for Montreal and for Toronto. Some strong and gusty southerly winds though a little bit further inland towards Texas into Mississippi as well, and some heavy showers are set to affect parts of Florida, pushing it into Georgia as well. So things are turning increasingly unsettled in the east, and by Tuesday we could see some fairly widespread thunderstorms. Bye for now. Hello there. Tropical storm Xavier is sitting off the southwest coast of Mexico, making it the most active East Pacific hurricane season since 1992. Although that storm won't be affecting land, it may well bring some large swells around the west coast of Mexico. More on that in a moment. First off, across South America, we've got some heavy showers affecting Bolivia, stretching in a line down towards southern Brazil too. One or two heavy ones for Rio de Janeiro, quieter to the south of that. Further north across the continent, heavy showers too for Venezuela, Colombia, northern Brazil. Eastern parts of Brazil look largely dry for Recife and in the sunshine, 29 degrees here. Heavy showers for Rio de Janeiro, but drier for Uruguay. Into parts of Argentina, 24 in Buenos Aires means it's a little bit warmer here than it has been over recent days. Sunday's weather across the southern half of Chile looking fairly breezy with some rain and some snow over the mountains. Now in Rio de Janeiro, we're set to see more showery rain by the end of the week. Buenos Aires does look dry, but there'll also be some wet weather at times in Bogota. Now that tropical storm is sitting off the coast. It may well bring those large waves around the west coast. Plenty of heavy showers across the southern half of Mexico, including the Yucatan Peninsula. Mostly dry for Cuba and also Jamaica on Sunday, but further east across the Caribbean, there'll be a few showers for the likes of the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico and the Lesser Antilles too. Further showery rain at times in Havana over the next 5 days, but it remains dry and sunny in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello there. The heavy rain that affected eastern China in association with ex-typhoon U2 has now cleared away into the Pacific, so clearer skies across many eastern parts of China, but we've got a cloud that's moving in from the northwest, and that's going to bring some showers and also some cooler air across the region too. So you can see those showers across central and eastern China. To the north of that, things are turning colder for the likes of Beijing, so temperatures here on Monday afternoon at around about 10 degrees. There'll be some sunshine across South Korea, but 1 or 2 showers through central parts of Japan. Heading our way further south past all those showers for central and eastern China, it's much drier further south for parts of Cambodia, Vietnam and Thailand too, but heavy showers for Singapore, the Malay Peninsula and across Indonesia. In Tokyo, we're set to see those showers persisting for a few more days. It'll dry up later on in the week, and it's a story of sunshine and heavy thundery showers continuing in Singapore. Across Australia, the main theme is still the heat, but it's not quite as hot as it's been over the weekend. Temperatures in Alice Springs 35 degrees on Monday. It was over 40 Celsius through the weekend. We have got some heavy showers though that are pushing across South Australia, Victoria and New South Wales. But heading across the Tasman Sea, high pressure keeps things mostly dry with some sunny spells across New Zealand. Just 1 or 2 coastal showers around here. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so. Unsettled and much cooler in Melbourne with some rain in Wellington by the end of the week. Bye-bye. Hello there. The northeast monsoon brought some heavy showers across southern India during the course of the weekend, but those showers are now fading away. Here's a satellite image which shows the shower cloud that we had in the south, which is now dissipating. But we turn our attention to this area of clouds sitting in the central Bay of Bengal. That's going to be bringing some really heavy rain to Sri Lanka over the next few days. And there is the potential that we could see a tropical storm forming in this part of the world. So it's something we're keeping a close eye on. Further north, a lot of dry and pretty warm weather across much of India, stretching towards Pakistan. And after the heavy snow that we've seen across the western Himalayas recently, that is now easing away. So heading our way further north into Central Asia, a rather cool day to come in Astana. Plenty of sunshine stretching across much of Turkmenistan, also Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan in the north too. Heading further south, Afghanistan and Pakistan looking dry and settled, but some heavy showers for Mumbai through the day on Monday. 1 or 2 just dotted around that west coast of India. There's the heaviest of the rain though, affecting Sri Lanka. You can see the green colours on the map there. We could well see some gusty winds in association with that heavy rainfall too. Head our way further north, then it's largely dry and settled for West Bengal and across Bangladesh too. Mumbai will lose the showers and it looks dry and sunny for the next 5 days or so, with heavy showers and thunderstorms interrupting the sunshine at times in Colombo. Tashkent looks a little bit cooler with some rain over the next few days. It stays dry in New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello there. The weather has been very unsettled and stormy across the Middle East, with heavy showers pushing across Saudi Arabia, bringing some flash flooding. We've also got low pressure that's been bringing heavy rain in the Mediterranean, and at times we're going to be seeing some weather fronts pushing into the far north of Africa over the next couple of days. So I think on Monday we could well see one of those fronts just heading into coastal parts of Morocco, bringing some rain over the mountains, some snow as well. Meanwhile, elsewhere across Africa, plenty of heavy showers around the Gulf of Guinea. For South Africa, it's not as hot as it was. 15 degrees in Cape Town on Monday. Last week, we had temperatures over 30 Celsius. But in Cape Town, you will notice that through the coming week, the temperatures are going to build again. So we could well see 30 degrees once again by the time we get to Friday. Johannesburg, after the recent showers, should be largely dry and sunny too. There'll be 1 or 2 showers in Casablanca through the next 5 days or so. Algiers should avoid those showers, but it could be fairly gusty and breezy at times. Now here are the heavy showers that have already brought flooding across parts of the Middle East. As we head through Monday, they'll be pushing northwards through Syria, northern Iraq and into Iran and across the Gulf too. Heavy downpours, could be some localised flooding and some gusty winds. Drier and warmer further south, so temperatures in Riyadh hotter than they have been over recent days. It is looking dry through Oman and Yemen, but there'll be some scattered showers elsewhere across the region. Now, those heavy showers that we've seen in Baghdad should clear away, leaving dry weather for the next 5 days. Bye-bye.